Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your contact list cluttered with outdated or duplicated entries? Today I will show you how to delete multiple contacts from your iPhone quickly and effectively. Let's get started. Since iOS doesn't support deleting multiple contacts at once, we will use a third-party app for this task. One popular option is the Group app, available on the App Store. So firstly, we download the Group app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app. When prompted, allow the app to access your contacts. Right at the bottom, you see the Contact option, Create Template and Create Group. We are using the Contact option today. Press the Select button at the left right side of the page. Then select the contact you want to delete. Press the Delete button and confirm your delete. And that's it, guys. You've successfully deleted multiple contacts from your iPhone using the Group app. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.